Next is the applications of heating effect of electric current, that is the incandescent lamp, electrical iron, electrical heater, means devices. You can see incandescent lamps. A common electric lamp has tungsten filament. This filament material of a bulb is just made up of element tungsten. This you have to remember. And the gas which is filled inside the bulb, that is nitrogen or argon. Because these gases are very inert, they are not going to react at all. And tungsten, they have high melting point, that is equivalent to 3300 Kelvin. When current is passed through, it gets heat up and it makes bulb glow and lights immediately. The question will be there regarding the name the material by which filament of bulb is made, or name the gas which is filled inside the bulb enclosures, melting point of tungsten material, and how bulb lights immediately, means working of light. This thing you have to remember according to this paragraph. Next is the electrical iron, means regarding the devices. All the appliances, especially electric iron, heater, oven, rods, geyser, they work on a principle of heating effect of electric current. The appliances is made up of element, that is nichrome. Nichrome is actually the alloy of nickel, iron and chromium. It is very important question from the examination point of view. What do you mean by nichrome? Then you have to give the alloy of nickel, iron and chromium. It have high resistivity, that is equal to 100 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter at 0 degrees Celsius, and high melting point, high malleability point. Malleability, you know that is a property by which it can be easily drawn into wires. Term can be asked in the examination. Define malleability. It is a property by virtue of which metal can be drawn into thin wires. It does not oxidize, means it does not react with oxygen, and acquires a steady state, means red hot state at temperature 800 degrees Celsius. Coefficient of resistivity is also given on your book, that is 0.4 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Kelvin per Kelvin actually. So heat production in an electrical heater is given by H is equal to V square upon RT, or H is directly proportional to 1 upon R. Means heating effect is directly, not directly, actually indirectly depends upon the resistance. Resistance of low rated power appliances is higher than that of high rated power appliances. Carbon arc lights of film projectors, arc lamps and arc welding. If a high potential difference is applied across two electrodes having the small gap between them, then a spark, you can see in the diagram also, a spark occurs in air in the gap. A film projector and arc is produced in gap between the carbon electrode, and this is used to produce bright light to project the films in cinema halls actually. You can see in the diagram, positive electrode, negative electrode, here is the gap, and when it is connected with the help of some potential difference, then it spark in between the gap of these two electrodes, which is further utilized to project the film in the cinema halls. Similarly, this principle helps in working of lamps, welding and enormous heating appliances.